During this time of year, it's fairly common to see what we call waterspouts living near a large body of water like the Great Lakes, like Lake Michigan. And all a waterspout really is a whirling column of air and water mist. But what's important is that waterspouts are classified in two different categories, tornadic and fair weather. Tornadic waterspouts are less common, and these are essentially tornadoes that form over water or move from land to water. These are associated with severe thunderstorms, and typically, like a severe thunderstorm, these are accompanied by high wind and high seas, so large waves to come through. These also produce large hail and frequent lightning. Similar to a tornado, what's important here is that the development is downward, so from the cloud to the land. However, the most common type of waterspout is a fair weather waterspout. These are typically not related to a storm at all, meaning they kind of come out of nowhere. It almost looks like these form with light winds, meaning they don't move a lot, so they're less dangerous to people. These dissipate quickly, and what's really important here is that they develop upwards, which is why they are so common during this time of year. Now, we have cold fronts that come through at all times of the year, but specifically in late summer and into early autumn, when a cold front comes in, that brings in significantly cooler air, meaning temperatures could drop rapidly, leaving us with an air temperature that could potentially be about 10 degrees cooler than our water temperature. So this is important because with the cooler air coming through, these cold winds will blow and they will meet over the warm waters. Winds then start to circulate, and since the water is warm, the air starts to rise, which is why these will develop upwards, leading to a waterspout. And that's today's WeatherWise.
Okay, so waterspouts do, though, trigger tornado warnings?
They can if they move over the land. Like she said, they are much weaker, so they're not as dangerous. But if it moves over the land, the National Weather Service has to trigger the warning.
Interesting stuff.